What do you think the odds that this works are?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh.
Well, not with that.
Yeah, no.
Jeez.
Not like that at all. Need to get me. There we go. Nope. I hit it though. Engine fishing. I don't know if it's gonna grab.
Look at the man.
It's gonna be fucking gross. So how long has this been in here now?
I don't know, 6 months-ish. Oh, at least that, actually, probably 8.
Yeah. Because what, we pushed it in, is it still October?
Probably.
So yeah, it's been like 8 months.
I have no idea where to hook this thing.
Can you wrap it around something and hook it to itself?
I'm kind of just trying to feel around and try to find something. Oop. That's getting sinky. There is snapping turtles in here.
Yeah, but they usually run away for the most part. Oh! It's broke the surface.
Oh man, there's some oil.
Oh!
Whoops.
We're looking like
Go away,
we're
go
looking
away.
like BP
Go
up in
away.
here.
Shh.
Yeah, we'll cut that out.
Cut that.
Spot on it. Alright. Let's give this a shot.
Back to where to hook this. You realize this is why the exhaust is not there anymore.
Are we gonna pull a Buick out with a Buick?
That's what we're gonna try.
Yeah, that's gonna work. Sure.
All right, you might want to back her up and give her a good yank. There you go.
Ready?
Yep. Hey, do it again.
Killed the car.
Good hook there, Jerry.
He's got some nice wheel spin over there.
Perfect.
So basically all we did was make this 283 from Texas equivalent to a Midwest 283 that's been setting for the same amount of 30 years.
Look at the fucking, look how it dragged.
I know. We just did it very quickly.
Is it raining again?
Oh man, we lost. Oh shit.
Oh, she's back in the pond.
I leave for 2 minutes and that happens.
You want to drive or you want me to drive?
I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm not sure how this is gonna go now.
Oh! Disconnected from the engine that time.
Ah shit.
No, it's not in the pond.
Well,
Progress. Oh! Hey, it disconnected, but it's right on the edge. This engine sounds good. Yeah.
The problem is letting you guys hook it up.
I mean, at this rate, you're not wrong.
yeah.
we go.
That man stole my car! Alright. So, after ripping this bad boy out of the pond, we're gonna tear it apart. I don't know what we're doing with it past that, but we're gonna see what it looks like now. Oh, I see it splitting a little bit. Oh! Yum! Oh, yeah! Yes! It's a chunk of something.
I'm a little upset there's no fish in here.
That is unfortunate. That would have been funny. There was some fish. Who knows? Still could be. This whole oil pan.
Let's see how much water is actually in here. Oh yeah. That's pretty crusty. We cleaned it. We made this thing better. Sure, I'm gonna go with that.
Oh, that ain't bad.
Yeah, this thing was pretty bad.
Looks like even if we would have tried to use it, it probably wouldn't have been the greatest thing in the world.
No, this would not have done well.
Something in there. May just be little dirt clumps, whatever those are.
Mm-hmm. Those are factory.
Yeah, sure.
Factory.
Whoop. Oh. Roll it back up.
Head gaskets were bad. There's your issue.
Is that why there was so much water in the motor?
That's why there was so much water in the engine. The head gaskets went bad. Cooling system just leaked right through there, right into the cylinders. That's where all the water came from.
Man.
Found your issue.
How are we gonna fix it, Doctor?
I think we should just stick it in the Buick.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. It's a bit of a lift. We'll figure it out.
That's it for this episode of Broken Gear Short. Yeah. Peace.